Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Orico 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure. On the front of the box, we have an image of the device itself. Over here on the right hand side, we have a few of the salient features and compatibility options. For example, it is compatible with 2.5-inch hard drives or SSDs. It is also compatible with USB 3.0 devices. It does not require the use of any additional tools to use, and it has a max speed of 5 GB per second. On the bottom right, we have the exact model number, which is 2577U3. On the left hand side of the box, the features have been repeated. On the right hand side, we have a QR code that leads to the brand's website. There is nothing on the top. On the bottom, there is nothing important as well. On the back, we have a couple more images in different angles, and over here we have the specifications. The important specifications are the dimensions, which are 126 by 80 by 15 millimeters. Its input type is SATA 3.0, output type is USB 3.0, transmission rate is 5 GB per second as we already mentioned. Compatible drives are any drives that are 2.5 inches in size, can be SATA HDD or SSDs with a thickness of 7 to 9.5 millimeters. The compatible systems are Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Over here we have a sticker that has the importing and manufacturing information along with the details for the customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of the user manual. This should help you get started off with using the device and understanding its various functions and features. Next, we have a little card on which we have the QR codes to the brand's website. And we also have the cable with a USB Type A interface on one end and a micro BM interface on the other. This is the kind of interface you generally see on that come with external hard drives. Coming to the enclosure itself, we can see that it looks like an external hard drive on the outside. It has some Orico branding on the top. Over here we have the port for the cable, and on the back we have the hatch in which we can place the 2.5-inch HDD or SSD drives. Over here we have the ports as well on the inside. So let's put a 2.5-inch drive in here and see it in action. So here we have a 2.5-inch SSD that we can slot in here. It's an internal SSD. Once it's nice and firmly placed, we can use these sponge bits to force it into place and shut the enclosure lid. Now we can use this internal SSD as an external hard drive and take it around with us and connect it to other laptops and PCs. So this was the unboxing of the Orico 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.